When you got approached for Splitsvilla, क्या thought था?
It was very new. Mischief Maker का जो concept था Splitsvilla में, something which was not been done. And initially जब last year approach किया था, तो I was very hesitant. But then पता नहीं कैसे Debbie ने convince कर लिया.
If you had to describe your ideal partner, how would you describe him?
Normal कोई लड़का मिल जाए बस. I want a guy who's very just normal, maybe थोड़ा बहुत intellectual. That's it. Cheat ना करे maybe. That's it.
What about the other outfit जहाँ पर आप पहले सो रही थी गद्दे पर फिर वो?
Oh yeah, that was crazy, na? I like.
Do you have a favorite?
No, I don't have any favorite, but I love drama. So that drama can be seen in my outfits. Hi, this is Urfi Javed, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
वो कहते हैं ना कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे ये भी हम सोचेंगे तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, इस लाइन की जीती जाती मूरत. Hi, Urfi Javed, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
So good to see you.
Same,
I
yeah,
think
after very long.
After a very long time.
Yeah.
So welcome एक बार फिर से to Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
I want to ask you one question, you know. मुझे लगता है हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी back in 2022.
Yeah.
लेकिन who is Urfi Javed? ये जो नाम है ना ये 2021 से if I'm not mistaken has like had a very different side to it. How has life been post that year?
It's good, it's amazing. And I mean, if you want to know, I know you're promoting MTV Splitsvilla here, but if you want to know more about me, you have to watch my show on Amazon.
Oh,
which is coming.
बहुत ही subtle था.
Yeah.
Speaking about the show with MTV Splitsvilla, you've been titled as the mischief maker.
Yeah.
असल लाइफ में कितनी मस्ती खोर है उर्फी?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई मस्ती खोर नहीं हूँ मैं, but only when I'm drunk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So is there any kind of mischief that you really like doing?
बॉयफ्रेंड्स को परेशान करना, फालतू में लड़ाइयाँ करना, घर वालों से भी फालतू लड़ाइयाँ करना, बस वही अच्छा लगता है.
So when you got approached for Splitsvilla, क्या thought था? एक ऐसी कौन सी बात थी जिसके लिए आपने कहा कि हाँ मुझे करना है ये?
It was very new. Mischief Maker का जो concept था Splitsvilla में, something which was not been done. And initially जब last year approach किया था, तो I was very hesitant. But then पता नहीं कैसे Debbie ने convince कर लिया. And now here I am doing it again, second year.
You know, बहुत सारे contestants का ये मानना है कि आप जब आती हैं तो it's a breath of fresh air, लेकिन धीरे धीरे पता चलता है कि अरे यार ये आ गई अब वाट लगने वाली है. So do you, what side do you like more?
I like the वाट लगाने. Fresh air क्या है? Fresh air चाहिए तो कहीं पहाड़ों पे जाओ. You're here in Splitsvilla, आप वाट लगवाने ही आए हो.
अच्छा, if you had to describe your ideal partner, how would you describe him?
I don't know. अभी की डेट में तो ऐसा हो गया है कि बस you know नॉर्मल कोई लड़का मिल जाए बस बात ही खत्म हो जाए.
क्या होते हैं नॉर्मल से क्या है बहन बताओ.
I want a guy who's very just normal, maybe थोड़ा बहुत intellectual. That's it. Cheat ना करे maybe. That's it. I don't have a very long list.
But have you had a perfect date in your life?
No, never.
क्या होता है perfect date आपके?
Actually, there's no perfect date. I mean, I've not been on a lot of dates, honestly. It's been quite some time. 3-4 साल हो गए. I've not been on any date, or I'm not seeing a guy. काफी टाइम से.
So do you miss it?
Not really. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि मिस कर, कभी-कभी दारू पी के. नहीं तो हम चिल अपने काम में. सबको जब आप सिंगल होते हो आप मिस करते हो रिलेशनशिप. जब रिलेशनशिप में होते हो आप मिस करते हो सिंगल होना. तो ये तो वही लड्डू है.
हाँ वही. The grass is always greener on the other side.
Same वही होता है.
We had an interaction with Sunny Leotti and who thoroughly loves you. उन्होंने भी यही कहा कि that you know वो आते ही कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाली है. There's a lot that's going to happen. What are your thoughts about her? What have you loved about Sunny Leotti?
You know, not a lot of people know, but I think she's very funny.
She is very
like
funny.
when you stand next to her, like जब भी हमारे shots ऐसे होते थे, shoot ऐसे होता था कि हम तीनों साथ में हैं, we three kept laughing. She cracks really funny jokes. She's very funny actually. I had no idea about that.
Do you see a
funny.
similarity between the two of y'all?
Similarity? No. I think she's calmer than she's calmer than me. She knows her shit, and she's because she's been there for a very long time. So I think I can learn from her. So similarity से ज़्यादा I find her much more experienced and calmer and well versed than me.
अच्छा, not that you should be saying this, but if you could, do you have a favorite contestant? क्योंकि favoritism तो कर नहीं सकते ना.
नहीं, मैं तो कर सकती हूँ.
अच्छा, आप कर सकते
हैं. पर ऐसा कोई favorite. I mean, I like all of them. I like Jashwant. I like Akriti.
Is there someone you could date?
Ew, no.
Oh.
No. I'm sorry, but no.
There was a you that came earlier.
Honestly, right now, if you ask me about anyone, कि would you date this, मेरा पहला response ew ही होता है. Ew. Like, I don't know, for some reason, इतने साल में single रही हूँ, my body is just like, ew, David. It's naturally coming to me now.
I want to also mention the fact that in so many years that we have seen you, you have been experimenting so much that in today's day and age, your style has gone to some other level. एक पर्टिकुलर मुझे याद आता है दिस ब्यूटीफुल आउटफिट दैट यू वोर एंड यू क्लैप ट्वाइस और उसके वो फूल के पत्ते निकले.
अरे क्लैप तो ऐसे ही कर दिया था
मतलब बट
उसकी बटन मतलब कोई और चला रहा था साइड में. द
I love the drama.
I did some drama नीचे भी. I had birds flying अभी.
Oh.
Yeah, then I changed क्योंकि वो uncomfortable था थोड़ा सा. But it was, you'll see it अभी viral के page.
And what about the other outfit जहाँ पर आप पहले सो रही थी गद्दे पर फिर वो.
Oh yeah, that was crazy ना. I like.
Do you have a favorite?
No, I don't have any favorite, but I love drama. So that drama can be seen in my outfits.
But tell me, I just want to understand, आप अपने stylist से क्या बात करती है? What is the conversations you all sit on the table and discuss about?
वो भी आपको पता चलेगा शो देखने मेरा वाला फॉलो कर लो यार.
अच्छा, तो यहाँ कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है मुझे. No interesting
goss.
मुझे
फिर मार पड़ जाएगी. So आपको सब पता चलेगा मैं कैसे क्या बात करती हूँ, कैसे आउटफिट्स बनाते हैं, क्या ड्रामा चलता है मेरी लाइफ में उस शो पे.
You and Paps are like this match made in heaven. शायद आपको पता ही नहीं कि आप उनके साथ रिलेशनशिप में है.
इसीलिए मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं बनता.
इसीलिए बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं. But have you had enough of them कि you are still not bored?
तो ऐसे कुछ कर थोड़ी रही हो, but I meet them once in a while. I like them. They're nice. They're very nice to me. So I mean, it's a good relationship going on for now.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि that बस I just want me and nobody else?
No, never. I can get papped all the time. I love it. I love the flashing lights. I love the camera. I love it.
But how do you deal with some people actually coming and voicing their opinion so harshly on the road? What's your approach like? You've had that incident.
मतलब ऐसा कुछ unless you're hitting me. जो बोलना है बोलो. मेरा क्या जा रहा है बोलो. जितना मर्जी मुँह दिया है चलाओ. Have your 2 minutes of fame. ठीक है. Unless you're physically harming me, बोलो.
Given a choice, Urfi, would you have gone to Splitsvilla as a contestant?
No.
Why?
I can't do it. It's very tough. It is very tough. I don't know how these guys do it.
You come across as somebody who is a very confident lady. She knows exactly what she wants, and जैसे मैंने आपके introduction में कहा that I love this part of you, that you don't care what people think because वो उनका काम है, मेरा काम है वो करना जो मुझे पसंद है.
No, but वहाँ पे you have to play certain games. And honestly, I don't know if I can even talk to guys. मुझे लड़कों से बात करना आता ही नहीं है अब. So it's not for me. But I appreciate the contestants.
There's a side that we know of, like I mentioned, which is confident. What are you internally most scared of?
Losing a loved one.
All of us are definitely.
Yeah, I mean, so that's just.
Are you reading comments on your posts, your stories,
no,
your
reels? No, I don't read any comments.
When was the last time you read something?
2 साल पहले जब नया नया शुरू किया था मैं अभी.
बट इतनी तारीफें भी हो रही है उसका क्या? उसकी तो मतलब कुछ
जो तारीफ करता है थैंक यू बोल देती हूँ बस. मतलब it's okay. I don't let negative or positive comments affect me in any way. बिल्कुल नहीं. Hi, this is Urfi Javed and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.